Hey guys, Daniel here. Today we're going to be making some chocolatecaliente, and this is going to be super simple, super easy. We're going to be using the Instantpot Ace blender, okay? So we're going to fill this thing up with 1,000 milliliters of milk. And this is going to make about 4 to 5 servings of chocolateabuelita. Okay, so now that we have the milk going, we're gonna open up this chocolate, okay? And if you've done this like old school, you can do it over the stove and stuff, but you gotta keep whisking it because it is literally a big hockey puck size chocolate bar. And bam, see, look at that. Okay, so we're gonna place it in here, nice and easy. Thank you. And now we're gonna close this lid. Bam. And we're gonna put it on the soup setting number 2, okay? Because number 1 makes it kind of clumpy and stuff, but number 2 is gonna make it creamy. So it's gonna take a little bit of time for the Instantpot to start working, to heat up, kind of like the other Instantpot does. So basically, it'll be done in, I don't know, like 20 minutes or so. So this is gonna heat up to about 110 degrees, and then it's gonna start mixing and everything and blending, and then you're gonna be left with the hot chocolate. So we'll be back when this is done. So don't freak out, guys. We're gonna wait about 10 minutes or so. See the numbers are climbing up? That means it's getting hot. Okay, don't be touching this, okay? Because it's hot. Alright guys, so this thing's been going on and preheated for about 10 minutes. And now you got about 20 minutes to go. So there you go. Look, it does that periodically. All right, guys, look, it's already starting to boil and bubble. And we got about another 15 minutes to go. And about 15 minutes, we'll be ready for some good abuelita. Right around 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes, it started to blend it really well. Let's get it, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Woo! Alright, that's done. Let's get ready to try it. Alright, so it's done here. So let's get ready to open it. Careful, because it's hot, guys. Look at that. Come, look at this froth and stuff. Check that out. Alright.
That smells good.
Yeah, it smells like abuelita. So remember, guys, this thing is super hot from down here. Always carry it from the handle. And let's see if Danos can handle it. Look at that, boys. Boom! Chocolate, chocolate, choco, choco, choco. De abuelita, de abuelita, de abuelita. Bam, guys.
We have to
Ready to go. And let it cool down for the kiddos. But we're gonna go ahead and try it. Perfect. Perfecto. Remember, guys, only the strong subscribe.